Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Bullet's Wireless Z2 and your phone. Charge them above 50% so the reset completes without interruption. First, unpair the headset in Bluetooth settings to avoid automatic reconnection. Next, close the OnePlus Connect app because it can block direct device resets. Make sure saved EQ or firmware profiles are noted since reset removes them. Once done, locate the tiny pinhole on the control pod. That's where you will initiate the factory reset. Now execute the reset. Press and hold the power button plus volume up for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will see an LED blink pattern indicating a reset release when the LED changes. If your unit uses a pinhole reset, insert a small tool gently and hold for roughly 8 to 12 seconds. Don't force it. The LED should cycle white then blue to confirm success. Make sure to keep the headset stationary and avoid touching other controls during this interval. Finish by rebooting the Bullets and pairing them anew. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the device as if it's new. Once connected, launch OnePlus Connect to check firmware and reinstall any updates. This ensures ANC and controls work correctly. If pairing or ANC fails, charge the headset fully and repeat the reset sequence. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth adapter is functioning by testing with another headset. One key tip: if LED patterns don't appear, try a different reset duration, 8 versus 15 seconds, before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.